Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hey, welcome back to the Trade More YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you, if I was going to start over trading the TTM Squeeze today, what I would do differently. So if you want to learn how to trade options and you trade the TTM Squeeze and you've got 1 hour a day to do so, then this video is going to be perfect for you. But guys, before we get in the video, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, all right? I literally go live on this channel every single day talking about the markets. Let's get into the video. Now, we're looking at a squeeze, so it's in a beautiful daily squeeze. There's a couple of things I don't like about this trade. Number one is I don't like that the blue's crossing the red. To me, what I have seen in my experience is that's an indication that the bearish momentum is starting to pick up. Watch out. 9 times out of 10 in the past, I would enter right here. And probably 7 out of those trades I would lose because of this very concept. Once the blue line crosses the red, pay attention. That momentum is strengthening. And in my experience, just like over there where I circled, that leads to the blue crossing the pink. Now, if the blue crosses the pink to the downside, I have no business being bullish. So this is what I'm projecting out in the future. Doesn't mean it will happen. I don't know the future any more than you don't know the future. But here's what I'm projecting to happen. That blue is going to cross. So if I enter right now bullishly, which I will not, because none of these momentums shifted, okay? And if that blue crosses the pink, then this momentum is going to continue to the downside. I don't want to be in this trade unless the momentum is giving me a sign. So here's what I'm looking to happen. I'm looking for that blue to cross the pink. Then the blue is going to go down, and it's going to hit one of these moving averages. Now, I don't have orange, so just bear with me. Just pretend like that's orange. I am now looking for the blue to come down and price action to hit the orange. That's my first line of attack. Okay, but what might happen is it might come down. It might come down here, and it might hook up into a bear flag. That's very possible, right? First low, 2 to 5 day hookup or 2 to 5 bar, bear flag. Very possible. So once the blue crosses the pink, my brain is now shifting to bearish. I'll be looking for bear flags. I'll be looking for squeezes to the downside unless it hits my longer term moving averages. This is the 50 SMA, the 100 SMA, and the 200. I have those for a reason. I like to see the short-term moment. Well, I don't like to, but if it breaks, the 8 breaks the 34, price goes down. I can trade bear flags, bear squeezes until I'm looking for it to hit one of these longer-term levels. It could hook up, roll back down, then hit the green, okay? So then it comes down and it hits the green. Here's what I'm looking for at any one of these levels, just so you know. I am still trading bear flags, right? Bear flags, but here is one of my favorite patterns. Again, my brain, my mentor told me a long time ago, think several moves in advance, but only trade based on market action. I'm not going to trade unless I see it, see the setup, place the trade. I'm looking for it to hit, then work its way back up, break back above, come around that 50, and then start to consolidate, okay? Then that is one of my favorite squeeze setups because I risk a little bit and my reward is big. So I'm looking for this 8 to break over the 34. Come down to a major moving average. Hook back up to around that 50% mark, you know, our Fibonacci, our 38 to 61. We talk about it here in class. And then consolidate. That is one of my favorite squeezes. Now, that's an option. So what's another option? All right, hey, I think this would be a great time in the video to ask you, if you are finding value in any way, do me a favor, guys. smash that like button, all right? It really does help support the channel. It lets YouTube know that, hey, this video is being helpful to you, and so it will show it out to other people just like you and help them. I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Hey, let's get back into the video. Okay? And again, I'm looking at all this stuff right now, thinking way ahead. So now price breaks the orange, comes down to the green. Okay, big long-term moving average. I'm looking for the same thing. Bear flags, squeezes to the downside, unless it comes up to the 50% mark and gives me a squeeze like that. So my brain is thinking right now, squeeze setup. 8 cross the 21. That is a red flag for me, because in the past, that usually leads to the blue now crossing the pink. I'm going to look for it to hit a long-term moving average, hook back up either into a bear flag or squeeze. But if it makes it to the midpoint and then consolidates in a squeeze, that's one of my favorite setups. Okay, now let's take it a step further. So price breaks down, it breaks through the green. That setup is off. Now what I'm looking for is a divergence into the squeeze. We talk about that. So if I get that divergence into the squeeze, and if you don't know what a divergence into the squeeze is, go back and check out my videos. That is a reversal pattern. So I can look at TW and project 2 or 3 months in the future. That's the way I see the setup. So hopefully you enjoyed that little analysis. If you don't understand that, that's fine. Join us in the university, and we'll teach you. There's patterns. Learn the patterns. History repeats itself. It's one of the core tenets of technical analysis. Market action discounts everything. And history repeats itself. And prices move in trend. All right, everybody. Hey, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, guys, do me a favor, smash that like button, all right? Hey, if you guys are interested in the TTM Squeeze indicator, check down below in the description, okay? You guys know, if you end up getting that indicator through my affiliate link, I'm going to hook you up with all sorts of bonuses, okay? So information is down below. Also, guys, like I said, if you want to learn how to trade options, I have my Options 101 Masterclass. I'm giving it away right now, completely for free. It should be in the description. And as always, I have my Options Elite for those of you that really want to take it to the next level. And right now, anybody who gets the Elite as a bonus, okay, I'm giving away my Forecast Pro indicator for free and my TTM Squeeze bonus course for free for anybody who is interested in my Options Elite. All right, buddy, do me a favor. Hey, smash that thumbs up button on the way out. I really appreciate it. Means a lot. Hey, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, think about doing so, guys. I literally go live every single day on this channel. And Tuesdays and Thursdays, 10:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, we have the Options live show. So make sure you come on in and you check it out. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video.